In today's world, where sustainable and renewable energy solutions are becoming increasingly important, solar generators have emerged as a popular and reliable source of portable power. There are a lot of solar generators available on the market. Which one is the best? In this video, we will explore the best solar generators available on the market, examining their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your energy needs. Number 1. MARBERO M188 Solar Generator. Do you love the great outdoors or want to be prepared for unexpected power outages? Meet the MARBERO M188 Solar Generator, a compact yet powerful portable power station that promises to keep your devices charged no matter where you are. Its wide range of applications, substantial capacity, multiple output options, and various recharging methods make it a valuable asset for everyday use and emergencies. Key features: weighs 5 kg, foldable solar panel, advanced lithium tech, 52 protective mechanisms, 4-hour full charge, dual PD USB-C ports. Charge Shield extends battery life by 50%. App management via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Includes power station, solar panel, and cables. Number 2. Jackery JE-300B Solar Generator. This compact powerhouse promises ease of use, reliability, and smart features. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry on your adventures, while the advanced safety features and long-lasting battery life provide peace of mind. The fast charging capabilities and smart app control further enhance its usability, making it a reliable power source for any situation. If you are looking for a dependable and efficient portable power station, the Jackery Explorer 300 Plus is definitely worth considering. Key features: weighs only 5 kg, similar to 2 MacBooks. Efficient up to 45 degrees Celsius, 52 safety mechanisms. 4-hour full charge, dual PD USB-C ports. Charge Shield Tech LFP batteries, 10-year lifespan. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth management, customizable settings. Number 3. BLUETTI AC180 Solar Generator. If you are someone who loves outdoor adventures, needs a reliable backup power source for home, or just wants to ensure you are never left without power, this solar generator could be the perfect solution for you. If you are camping in the wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or simply want a dependable power source for your gadgets, the AC180 delivers. Its rapid charging, robust output, efficient solar capabilities, and reliable UPS function make it a standout choice in the market. Key features: fully charged in 1 hour with 1440 watts AC input, 1800 watts output with 11 outlets, boostable to 2700 watts via the app. Supports up to 500 watts solar input, fully charging in 2.8 to 3.3 hours. Provides emergency power in 20 milliseconds. Number 4. ECOFLOW EFD330 Solar Generator. The ECOFLOW EFD330 Solar Generator is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a dependable portable power solution. Its rapid charging, expandable capacity, and ability to power a wide range of appliances make it stand out. If you are preparing for an emergency, embarking on an adventure, or living off-grid, this solar generator is up to the task. Plus, its eco-friendly charging options and long-lasting durability make it a wise investment for the future. Key features: 0 to 80% in 50 mins, 100% in 80 mins with AC input, from 1 kilowatt-hour to 3 kilowatt-hour with extra batteries. 1800 watts output, 15 outlets, powers 90% of appliances, supports up to 500 watts of solar input, 3000 plus cycle life with an advanced battery management system. Number 5. GRECELL T300 Solar Generator. This solar generator offers impressive features and reliability if you are camping, on a road trip, or preparing for emergencies. The GRECELL T300 solar generator is a versatile and reliable power station that's perfect for anyone on the go. With its robust capacity, multiple charging options, and the ability to power up to 8 devices at once. Its upgraded battery management system and fast charging capabilities make it stand out in the market. Key features: 288 watt-hour capacity, 330 watts output, high-quality lithium batteries with safety protection, USB-C PD 60 watts, and USB-A QEC 18 watts ports for quick charging. Power 8 devices simultaneously. 3 ways to recharge. Built-in MPPT controller for solar efficiency. Number 6. EBAL MP330 Solar Generator. The EBL MP330 solar generator is a powerhouse packed in a portable size. Its robust battery life, multiple charging options, and eco-friendly solar compatibility make it an indispensable gadget for outdoor adventures and emergencies alike. If you are planning a camping trip, preparing for potential power outages, or just need a reliable source of power on the go, the EBAL MP330 has got your back. Key features: 300 watt-hour battery with over 1000 cycles, pure sine wave for safe, noise-free power, lightweight at 3.3 kilogram with a non-slip handle, charges up to 9 devices, DC, USB, AC, and wireless, compatible with various gadgets, SOS LED light for emergencies. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights and helped you identify the best solar generator that meets your specific needs. Remember, the best choice is one that aligns with your power requirements, budget, and environmental values.